like literally freaking one of the earliest I've ever been in a while. I usually don't do that anymore because your boy getting old and, you know, I gotta look out for my health. But if there was no lyrics available to like break down his lyrics of G-Dragon's Power. So we're about to break it down here. What's up, Sultan? How you doing? How you doing? Power by G-Dragon. If you haven't seen it already, whether it be on my reaction video or GD in the house. Ubermensch. Did he say that? Or what kind of... It is in English. Oh, they really do say that. It says, when GD's in the house. When GD's in the house. Hey! Now, I get it. I got the power. Obviously, this is the same, like, red hooded people from Coup d'etat. Forcefully criticized, spread a meme, talk, blah, blah, shout it out. He was forcefully criticized. Motherfucker, like, the whole issue with, like, the netizens, like, basically having a witch hunt on him, and he had to do the whole process was really foul, bro. Not just to him, to a lot of other people. A lot of other people, man. I'm free. Yep. I thought that was interesting. This whole like setup is kind of creative, but we're talking about G-Dragon here. He's a creative genius, and I don't know if you agree, but bro, it's kind of hard not to agree. I really want to see his like nails too, and his. Just like him coming out in a smaller car. Wait, let me look at the rap again. I'm beautiful just being myself. Yep. Others said to me it's easy. Shush all the comments, ripples, attention seekers. Let's go. Talk your shit. Woo. A limited edition of the second generation, a masterpiece of the century. He's limited edition. Bro, he is the Charizard, bro. That's why he's called Dragon. For a reason. He is the golden Charizard, the golden rainbow Charizard, if you want to call it like that. Spot to rest, a global luxury. G to the D or GOAT, the living legend. I love that lyric. Because I remember when G-Dragon was like, GD, Golden Diamonds Boy. That was like during Crayon. Or GOD, DOG, like in Zutta. But the way he like breaks down his name is kind of crazy, of course. But GD or the GOAT, the living legend. The king is still popping. Star K again. Wait, I heard you got the straight flush. I heard you got the straight flush. Whatever. He's forever royal, bro. I feel like in music in general, definitely G-Dragon is definitely, you got to put him in the talks of like, at least in music. And if we're talking about like Korean artists, he's definitely have to be in the talk of like one of the geniuses for sure. Hands down. If you don't mention him, then I will. Okay, so this is from Crayon, this like set. Oh, wait, what did he say? Give a shit. Laughing and money, donating millions, grin. Hey, donate. He donating, he getting millions. You already know. Power abuse, question, tolerance, natural disasters, unavoidable circumstances. Damn. Way too strong. I've got that power. He got that power. People forget. He the trendsetter. This is the ticket booth from Coup d'etat, no? Am I mistaken? Or at least an ode to it. Let me double check. How old is this? 11 years ago, y'all. 11 years ago. Okay, it might not be, but it's definitely a ticket booth, which that's what the other one was too. I might be reaching with that one though. Bro, I don't know, man. G-Dragon on a different level. I can't. I'm like, I know I'm straight glazing, but and you know what? Yeah, bro. GD, what are we talking about, bro? Bro, that was 11 years ago. We've been waiting, bro. Oh yeah, and the other one, what is it? Let's go to Crayon. I think it's like, it's owed to like a lot of the sets were like odes to his past sets, maybe? Come on, girl. Come on, boy. Bro, bro, he different. I'm just saying. It sound like I'm glazing, but who cares? If you know me, you know I'd be following this man since not the near beginning, but definitely for a long ass time. Prove them all wrong. I've got the receipts. Talk your shit. Now, what is this one? Is this set like from something else too? But Born to Be One Man Army Minefield Bang. But it sounds like Big Bang, right? What is the word for minefield in Korean? A lot of people are speculating these sets had something to do with him and his alleged drug scandal allegations. Ah, that could, of course, that could be it too. It's definitely about that. I feel like this whole song is basically him talking about that too. Ooh. Like they were all talking. Like the whole world was talking about it. Give a shit. Power abuse, question, tolerance, natural disaster. Yep. Too strong. I've got the power, the power. Hey. Hey. Forcefully criticize, spread a meme, talk, blah, 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 shout out. Bro, I don't know if you remember. The glasses on the desk are like the same he wore when he went to the police station. I want GD and Tyler to create a collab. Me too. But you know who I've been wanting for the longest time? Bumping his Missy Elliott collab. I don't think people realize how big of a Missy Elliott and G-Dragon collab is. Like, and that leads me to the next thing I want to talk about, the next collab. I want to see Pharrell and G-Dragon, to be honest. I feel like G-Dragon and Pharrell would freaking kill. But I do, you bringing up Tyler Creator reminded me of Pharrell. That's why I was like, but back in the day, him having a collab with Missy Elliott and it killed, bruh. I don't think people realize how big that was. And it was such a good one. The power. Flying high. And supposedly the 88, it's like 88 months since. Why it looked like he about to twerk? It's been 88 months since his last comeback. Oh, I didn't get to see the supposedly there was a bullet points or like during the subway you could see like the next the album right here. It's right here. It is. I can't see. It said Home Sweet Home, I Belong to You, Take Me, Power Too Bad. I don't know what that says. It's basically his album set list. Does this say Obama? No, it don't. I can't really see it. Does it? Wait, let me see if it closes up. Oh, it says drama, not Obama. Imagine he made a song for Obama. Oh, that's something in Korean. Okay. And then gyro drop drama. Ooh, I can't wait. I really can't wait for his next stuff to come out. I don't know when it's coming out officially, but I'm excited, bro. Like, we got G-Drag coming out. I'm excited for Rose's album. I don't think you realize how badass this collab was. Woo! I got hits like a tennis racket. Hey, get it. We want to talk about collabs? Good Jagger. Hey, Missy Elliott. Hey. Ain't that a bitch? And he gonna break it down like this? Hey. Oh, Karen, it was your first KCON too? Drop it like. I think this was my first KCON as well. I was all the way in the back. And G-Dragon's verse is crazy too. Bro. This part right here? See? Hey! What? Get your crayon, baby. This is when KCON was like getting all the top names on their like set list. Drop it like. Yeah. Hey. Bro, and this was a B-side, y'all. The only artist to dare to diss Mama Awards live stage on the Mama itself and get invited the year after the event. Hey, I think that's power right there. Y'all remember that? And he's gonna perform at the Mamas again. Y'all listen. Y'all understand how much power that is, though. G-Dragon made a last-minute diss track for the Mamas for being like rigged, quote unquote, right? Which a lot of award shows, yeah. This boy, bro. I mean, to be honest, isn't Power low-key just not? Would you consider Power like a diss song against society, or not, or more of like a I'm back and you can't stop me type of vibe? I think more than a diss song or something like that. I'd be honored to be dissed by him, bro. If G-Dragon ever says my name or talks about like that one VIP reactor kid, bro, I will stop reacting after that. I'll be like, nah, I wouldn't stop, but I will be honored. I don't know why he would diss me or use me, G-Dragon, in a lyric. Like, let's start off with this one because this has Daesung and Taeyong in it. Do as you please. Stop. Oh, his smile's so cute. Oh, it's so nice to see. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.